Finally on our way to our next country, our next destination, Cambodia. We didn't get a chance to film the last day or so. Just trying to enjoy the moment. But it was a lot of fun.
Yes, it was. It was fun, but Singapore is expensive. It's up to you if you want to travel there. Take at your own risk.
Oh yeah, the country is very expensive compared to Tokyo at least.
Very expensive.
But it's definitely an experience. We had a good time.
What we do?
I don't think we're gonna be filming as much when we get to Cambodia, but I guess we'll see. Gonna try to relax a little bit more and kind of enjoy the moment.
I'm trying to be on and off the grid a little bit.
Yep. Last lunch.
It's like, this is really good, baby.
Just got here and family reunion. So a little update. Just got a good night's rest. Forgot what city we're in. But we're somewhere in Vietnam and Phnom Penh. So I'm gonna do a little bit more sightseeing.
That one, that's the green one is good.
We came all the way to Cambodia, managed to go to a big tourist spot that I guess the family wanted to check out, but looks pretty cool. It's called Mondulkiri. Probably butchering the name, but it's pretty cool. Maybe do some zip lining. Yeah, no, I'm saying the walk is steep. Yeah. We are at the Waterfalls.
We're just chilling in the
Kind of runs in like a little gazebo thing and kind of hanging out.
hammock gazebo.
Hammock with gazebos. It is a gazebo.
Yeah, it is gazebo.
Yeah.
As you see me, I'm not, I'm trying to protect myself from mosquito bites. I got bit.
We're gonna hang out for a little bit and then probably explore. I don't think we want to swim, so.
The water doesn't look appealing. Okay.
So we're spending most of our day today just kind of exploring
Part of the mountain of Cambodia.
the mountain, the countryside of Cambodia. It's very beautiful.
It's a 10-hour drive.
But to get here it's a long troop. I think it was over 10 hours easily.
Yeah.
But it's definitely worth it though if you can make it out here. So this is, I believe, just a man-made village. So come by?
No, you can go in. It's dark. Here's the hut.
Okay.
Where? There's another hut. My house. Back then. Look, you see the banana tree right there, too?
lunchtime. This is pretty cool to see. Okay, a little bit more pictures of the family. Call this place Sea Forest. Guess it's just for views, but that's what it looks like. Finally, we get some alone time. We get to do a little shopping. A little sightseeing, actually. I don't know if we're gonna buy anything, but... So we're just walking by, checking a couple stalls, and maybe look at some, what are they called? Like alleyways?
Yeah, vendors.
And different vendors. Cake.